How's it going, guys? It's going off grid again, and we got the RockSolar, which is dirty because I've been using it, and we got the RockSolar Weekender and the RockSolar Nomad. And this guy here, I've been testing like crazy. I've been using this at work. I'm using this for play. You can see it's all dirty, and been putting it through the ringer. I even tried running a table saw on this thing, which is insane because this is only a 600 watt inverter. I did not video it. I might do a video about that later. It starts the saw, it gets it almost all the way up, it ramps up the power, and then I guess it has like a amount of surge time that it allows. It's like 5-10 seconds, and then it shuts off. But it almost starts a skill saw, which is insane. And then this little guy, I already made a video of that. You've seen that guy. Well, I got the matching solar panel for the Nomad. This is their biggest solar panel, I believe. It's their 100 watt. I have not unboxed it yet. I just cut the tape. There we go. It looks like a really nice package. Like I have another 100 watt folding solar panel from All Powers. It is an older solar panel. I don't think it's ever put out 100 watts, but it's put out about 65 watts. And until now, that's been my favorite solar panel. So we'll see. If this thing can outdo it, well, we'll just see how that goes. Okay, I just took the wrapper off real quick. On the back, I'm just looking at this thing. We got this nice zipper. Okay, so this is all of our solar gear. We got some carabiners. We got, looks like 8 mil to 8 mil, or yeah, I think it's 8 mil. Then we got, look at that, we got MC4 to 8 mil, I believe that is. 8 mil or 6 mil barrel connector. What else we got in here? We got 2 more carabiners, and then we got an adapter set. That's awesome. So this should work with any solar generator or power station. And then you got your USB charging, OC 3.0. I guess that's a USB 3.0. That's fast charging. Type C, and your DC out. So for the Nomad, all you need is this plug. I'm pretty sure. Just go from there to here. And then all these are for other types of solar. And this is nice because now I can use any solar panel I want with the Nomad, or I can use these adapters and use it with the Weekender. Alright, so look at that, it's got feet. That's pretty cool. Let's open this thing up and see how big it looks. Wow, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this is a lot nicer than I thought it was gonna be. So I have had quite a few of these folding solar panels. I've had a 60 watt, I've had two 60 watt folding solar panels, and now I have a 100 watt folding solar panel. This is my second 100 watt folding solar panel. And this is not the smallest, like once it's all folded up, this is not the smallest, but it's definitely the thinnest. Yeah, I just really like it because it's got some really strong points for hanging it, where the other ones that I have, they just have like these little tiny like rope loops that come around, and of course when you pull too hard on them, they just come out of the sewing on the side. This looks like this would be actually fairly durable, so that's a nice touch there. They have these really nice feet or legs that just fold away. As you can see, there's another one. Another leg there. And then you just keep folding. And there's your final piece. They got these really nice clips as well. I thought they clipped from the side, but you just press here. It just feels well made. I will say that. And this panel is on sale right now actually for, I think it's $229 or something, or $279, something like that. It was like $100 or $120 off. That's why I bought it. And there you have it. That's your 100 watt folding solar panel. So between these two things, this panel should charge this up in full sunlight in about 4.5 hours. And this panel can also charge this. I'm 99% sure. I'm going to actually give it a try. I believe that this does the limiting. It will not use the full power of the solar panel, but that's why you would normally buy a smallish panel. But I believe you can use this one as well. I believe this will actually do the limiting. I'm going to double check that. I'll put it in the description below if you can use any other solar panels with any other units. I believe that's the case, but I'm not 100% on this. Anyways, just a quick introduction of the RockSolar Nomad and the solar panel that goes along with it, 100-watt solar panel. So far, I really like it. I like the design. I like how the pocket's nice and big, so I can put a lot more than just what they provide. Here's a little shot of all the solar panel stats. So it's 20% efficient, peak, it's monocrystalline. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Next time, we're going to have to do some strong tests on this Nomad. See if we can break it.